Hi everyone, this is Akhil. So we have two projects mainly considering a certain task we should perform. The first project, which is consisting to project the Gantt chart for the given data. So let's get started for both the projects with the certain tasks. So I'm sharing my screen. So from the given table, from the given project, there are certain tasks which have performed, which you need to perform by using the Microsoft Excel to create a Gantt chart for the given data. From this given task, we just need to create a certain data, and we just need to create a Gantt chart for that created data. So let's get started. So from the given certain tasks, we have created the data. I have created the data. As you can see, there are like analyze and plan. As you can see, or the project one, analyze and plan. It consists of 2 weeks, cannot start anything else until then. So for the 2 weeks, the analyze plan will be implemented and work on it. Though so we make it as a start week as 0 and end week as 2. So as it mentioned, like cannot start anything else until then. So after the end week, we perform another task named as create and organize content. So it consists of 4 weeks. Can start to develop look and feel before this is done. So it mentioned like before this is done, so we start from the next week, that is 3, and before, as it's the duration for 4 weeks. So from the 3, as per the consists of 4 weeks, we take up to 6, and we would be 6. So 3, 4, 5, 6. That would be the start week and end week. So that would be the complete of 4 weeks. So like this, we apply for this every task. So develop the look and feel for the 4 weeks. Start work on graphics and HTML at the same time. So they mentioned like at the same time. So same week gonna work for both the tasks simultaneously. So likewise, we consider them as 3 to 6 as well for this task as well. For coming to the next task, produce graphics and HTML documents. So for this, they have given 2 weeks. And also they assumed that create working prototype after the first week. So they mentioned like after the first week. So after the first week, then we consider them as new week, and by giving it as a 7th week and 7 to 8 week. So that would be the 7 will be the start week and end week will be the 8 week. So coming to the create next task, create a working prototype, that would be 2 weeks. Give to the testing when complete. So it mentioned like when complete. So likewise, we consider them from 8 to 9. So that would be 2. You can see like 8 to 9. So the next task would be test 4 weeks. They mentioned like before when complete. So it has been complete. So for the 4 weeks, we consider next 4 weeks. So from the end week 9, the next start week should be 10. So from the 10, we consider 4. So that would be 10, 11, 12, 13. So start week would be 10 and end week would be 13. So coming to the last task, upload a web server and test again. So that would be 1 week. So as you can see, there is a they have like they assume that it should be done in 1 week. So we consider only 1 week. That would be next to this end week. So 14 to 14. So that task should be complete in only 1 week. So we consider 14 to 14, the start date and end week. So from this, we just I have given the name of this table like time management for multimedia company, as based on the project name was time management for the multimedia company as per the given information. So by selecting all the data, we will perform a Gantt chart by going on to this insert tab. You can see our recommended charts. Under this recommended charts, you just click on, after clicking onto this recommended charts, you will see the pop-up window called insert chart. In that insert chart, you just go to all charts tab, and in that you just need to click on bar chart, and in bar chart you can see the cluster chart. So just click onto this cluster chart and click on OK. So I think it has been wrongly selected. Just do once again. Going to insert, clicking onto the recommended chart, stacked bar chart. So in all charts, you can see the bar one. You can see stacked chart and click on OK. So after selecting that chart, the chart would be seen like this. So after selecting this chart, we can name that chart as a time management for multimedia company. So after giving to that chart title for the chart, so let's make a Gantt chart now by clicking onto this thing and this bar lines. You can see a pop window called format data series. In that format data series, you can see the series options called no fill. So there is a fill option called no fill. You just need to click on that and you can able to see this Gantt chart now. So this is how we can make a Gantt chart from the assumed task and created data. So coming to the project one, the time management for multimedia company, we have prepared a Gantt chart by using in this Excel.